What a beautiful, beautiful baby, said the face looking down from the sky. A neighbor joined in and tickled my chin. What a beautiful baby was I. Growing up I made sure of attention. Everyone's eyes were on me. And into my teens I was never not seen. The whole world revolved around me, me, me. I was here for the birth of my children. I was here at the bell of the ball. 80 years have gone by in the blink of an eye. Now it seems that I'm not here at all. Here comes the invisible woman. She's been on the planet for years. You can't make her out, there's never a doubt. The invisible woman is here.